this guy? He's like eating my beard. Like eating my beard. Well, he was eating my beard. He's pulling the hairs out. Ow! Yeah, good morning to you too. Yeah, we're just sitting out here on the deck. And I was minding my own business, and this cute little birdie just came in and landed on the chair next to me, and he walked over and jumped up onto my foot and crawled around, and I held my finger out, and he flew over, and he's just been hanging out with me. So anyway, there's lots of birds. They're all singing right now. And this guy's hanging out with me. See you later. Sometime in August 2010, Maui.